We're going to talk about the steps of long division. So we're going to start with this example here, and we'll keep our steps in mind as we go. We're going to go ahead and write them. Okay, our first step is divide, then multiply, subtract, compare, and then bring down. So we've got 5 steps here that we're going to follow in that order. First thing I'm going to do is see how many groups of 4 I can make from 6. That's my divide step. So I can make one group of 4 from 6. Write the 1 here. Next, I multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. So I'm just looking at this part to begin. Compare. 2 is less than 4. That lets me know that I made the correct number of groups. And then bring down the 8. Once I get here, I start back over. Now I'm thinking, how many groups of 4 can I make from 28? That's my divide step. I can make 7 groups. 7 times 4 is 28. That's my multiply step. Subtract. 28 minus 28 is 0. Compare. 0 is less than 4. There's nothing left to bring down, so that means I am finished. To check my answer, I'm going to multiply 17 times 4. If I don't get 68 as my answer, then I know that I made a mistake. But I do get 68 as my answer. This is my way to check and make sure that I am correct. All right, let's try another example. This time I'm doing 72 divided by 5. I'm going to start with my first step, which is divide. I see how many groups of 5 can I make from 7? That's just one group. 1 times 5, my multiply step, is 5. Next, subtract 7 minus 5. Remember, I'm just looking at this part. That's 2. I compare. 2 is less than 5. Now I bring down my 2. Start back over. I have how many groups of 5 can I make from 22? That's 4 groups, because 4 times 5 is 20. So that's as close as I can get without going over. My next step is to subtract. 22 minus 20 is 2. Compare. 2 is less than 5. There's nothing else to bring down. So what do I do with this 2? Well, that is my remainder. This means I can make 14 groups of 5, and then I'll have 2 left over. So I can't make another group of 5 because I only have 2. So there's my remainder. Let's check this answer using the same strategy as last time. I'm going to multiply 14 times 5. Okay, so I do 14 times 5. That gives me 70. But this was 72. I have 70 here and 72 here. So where does this extra 2 come from? Well, it comes from the remainder. So then I just add the remainder, and there is my answer. So this means I can make 14 groups of 5. That will be 70. And then I'll have to add that extra 2 that's left over.